All right, this is constraints, modeling with constraints. I've got a plane right here, and I'm going to go into vertice mode. I'm going to select these vertices right here, and this is what happens when you just regularly scale some vertices. They just move without the outside the bounds of the plane. So if you go down here, you scroll down, and you go to face constraint, the constraints right here, and I scale that up. You see it stays within the shape of that plane. I went a little too far here, so it looks like you can only do these on a certain angle, and then if you go to edge, it will constrain them to that edge, and it stays within that face shape. And then the normals, you'll see the difference here. They go outside of the shape itself. So what I want to do is make sort of a round shape here, and let's see, go to edge. I'm going to scale these in. I'm going to scale these in. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Scale these down a little bit and then scale these in a little bit. And I'm going to move these down. And move this down and sort of round it out. Move these out. I'm going to sneeze here in a sec. Excuse me. Yep, and I'm going to move these up. And I'm going to move this up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is select those polygons there in the middle. I'm going to show you, this is how you can kind of make some shapes on an object using constraints. I'm going to inset this, and let's make it that large, and then I'm going to extrude it and make it negative and go inside here. And then let's select these polygons again. And I'm going to extrude these a little bit, and I'm going to turn on NURMS and then show you what it renders like, what it looks like when you render it. So I'll extrude these out. It's all constrained to the faces or the edges, so hit the check mark there, get out of polygon mode. This is a nice shape I've got right here. I'm going to turn on NURMS, and once you okay, so when you render that, you got a nice shape. You can use that on the UFO or the robot. So that's just modeling with constraints.